I'm not camping here, I guess. So I guess I'm going to be heading. It's about 20 minutes north of Clear Lake is where I'm at, or where I'll be. This is Clear Lake, Iowa. Clearly, this is not a place you can camp today. So, heading north. Oh, it opens March 31st. In a couple weeks, maybe I'll be back or not. I don't know. McIntosh Woods State Park. Not open for camping today. Head north. Okay, 25 minutes later, I'm at Pilot Knob State Park. Recommended to me yesterday by a viewer, thank you, but also I have been here 2 years ago, not for a camping trip. I came here for a hiking trip because this is the point of the second highest point of Iowa inside of this park, which I will probably not be doing. It is almost 50 out. However, the wind is just brutal today. It does not feel 50 degrees outside. It's late, not late, but it's 5, so I've got a couple hours plus of daylight to go. So I need to see if I can get my shelter up and maybe some food going. And if I remember correctly, this isn't a huge state park. It does have 18 Bigfoot sightings recorded. Okay, I made that part up just to kind of spice it up a bit, but yeah, driving wise there's not a lot to do here, but there are really good hiking paths, which I may or may not get to. So non-electric 10, electric 18, both not bad at all. I'm doing the 18 and I'll explain why in a little bit here, but and it goes here and drop my pen. I think it's in. Wait, it's still not in. Yeah! There's one guy up there in a van up on a hill there. Other than that, I think I'm the only one here today. I'm gonna put down stakes here around number 3, I think. Yeah. Now the wind slows when I got it up. No, it's gonna keep going here probably for, I think at dusk it's supposed to die down, this wind. So I gotta get some weight in here, get my stuff in here so it doesn't blow away in case the stakes don't work. But it's kind of like putting up a kite in March. It is March. All right. So this wind is coming up so much, it's blowing, it actually blew in the side of the tent. So I deployed the anchors on here. I've never used these before with the tent, but hopefully these hold up. I've got the weaker tent stakes for these ones too, so we'll see how they hold up here. See, it's just blowing right in. Might have to move to the vehicle and sleep in there tonight. Right, we'll see what happens. And the reason why I got the electric sight tonight is because I got this today. Just happened to go by it and it was on clearance for 50% off. It's a, oh, do the English side here. Slim design Honeywell heater. Safety matters. So compact size, big heat. We will see how this works. May or may not try it if the wind, certainly I don't want it to get blown over overnight. I'm not going to have it on overnight, just maybe just take the edge off while I'm awake of the cold if it's going to get down to 20 tonight, they're saying. So have it as a backup. I'd like to at least try it to see how it works in the tent. People have told me to do this. I have concerns about the safety of such, but we'll see how this goes. So I have to make some food shortly here. I'm gonna try to find a shelter to get my propane going, because I'm not gonna have a fire. I have firewood, but it's a red flag warning out today, at least north of here. I don't know if it's officially here, but I'm gonna err on the side of not having a fire in this wind. Yeah, at least I hope this is open, the restroom here. The pit, I'm sure it's the pit. This video just might be me hanging out in my car in my tent, maybe, I don't know. No smoking in here. Wouldn't want to get stinky. It's one of my favorite things is dirt roads in the country. Thank you, Iowa. I'm having a bad hair day. So I've driven kind of around the state park here, and this wonderful dirt road. And you can see, should be able to see kind of like right there is a tower built, and that is the second highest point in Iowa. I did that hike a couple years ago on a video. You can drive to it, but it's closed for the season, and I'm not hiking there today. I'm trying to survive this wind. Okay, I'm gonna get back and try to make something to eat. Might be hard to see in the sun, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 deer over there. Scurrying away. Well, there's no shelter around in the park, but in the little time I was away here, the wind has died a little bit here, so it's nice. I think I can make a quick dinner. Propane stove, a little stew, and a Coors Light. What else do you need? Camping at its best. Hang in there, fire, just for a little bit longer. Well, it's taken a long time to do this. The flame is staying on, which is good, but it's struggling to get this heated up. Whew. By the way, there's a beautiful view from where I'm at. Thank you. Managed to get the top on here with the extra blanket here to hopefully provide some warmth as usual in the winter time. Might be hard to see, but there's a herd of deer up there. Just walked into the camp. A few of them are staring at me up there, just kind of right up there. Like I'm bothering them. I don't know. So I guess that's going to be about it for tonight. From out here, I'm going to get in the tent. I got everything I need, I think, in there. Get set up and try to have a nice night in there, I guess. Out of the wind. A couple cars driving through here at dusk. So it kind of occurred to me as I was setting my stuff up in here that I never really showed the inside of my tent that much other than in the morning and as I'm going to bed, but not that there's not really much to show. Oh, let me back up my knees. Okay. This time I got my cot set up here. Yeah, that wind's blowing out there. By the way, it is much nicer in here. I haven't even turned a heat on or anything, but it's just much more comfortable in here right now. I got the cot set up there. I got a lamp. I like this lamp because it gives it's a tiny lamp, and I know it's not like a camping thing, but hook it up to the Jackery, and works quite nice. It's better than like my lanterns, I guess. So I'm liking it. Bags over there, radio, got some music on. So I'm just gonna take a look at this and see if that's a viable thing with the heat. Otherwise, I'm gonna just hang out in here tonight. It's comfy right now. It's gonna get cold tonight though. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Well, whatever. Always okay. Well, it's been on for almost an hour now, and it's very comfy in here, I must say. I'll probably turn off shortly and then go to sleep, and then if I get cold over the night, I'll try it and for a bit and warm it up in here, I guess. But it seems to be working really well. Okay, if nothing else happens, you'll see me in the morning. Well, I made it overnight, but did not sleep much. One thing is the blanket covering this part of the tent flipped over. The wind blew it over, so it's been, at some point, it's been pumping in the cold outside air into here. So as much as this might help, and I didn't have this all night, but on and off once in a while, that didn't help. And then this wind never stopped. It's like every 10 minutes somebody was just outside just shaking the whole tent like this. Oh. So I'm going to very quickly pack up and call this one. Made it though. Well, here it is, your one moment of Mother Nature in this video. That's gonna be it. There wasn't much of anything in this video except for me trying to stay warm, I guess, and out of the wind. Wasn't a fail, but I would say it was not fun either. So next time I'll take Mrs. Stinkleberry Farmer's advice and get a hotel maybe. The heater certainly helped a bit. Not once that top flap came off and the air was pumping in from the outside, then it doesn't make much of a difference. But if I can get that tied down better, it'll help. Supposed to head to Wisconsin in a couple days. I might break down and do something other than a tent, because this is just getting brutal again. It was warmer 2 months ago than it is now. I don't understand things. Ain't that the truth? Beautiful park though. What I saw of it. Pilot Knob. Thanks for watching, subscribing and all that. This odd video of mine. There's two geese over there hanging out. I'll see you next time. And oh, by the way, 23 for a low. 23 for a low. 8 degrees wind chill. It's St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna look for some green coffee. Bye.